In the case of right angle triangle, if we have three pieces of information, we should be able to calculate the fourth value. Let's assume that we know the value of the opposite is known to us, and the value of hypotenuse is known to us, and the value of the angle is known to us. The only one that is not known to us is the adjacent. To solve this, we can apply, we say cosine theta is equal to the adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, which is, in this case, adjacent is the AB, which is the value or the distance that we are looking for, divided by the hypotenuse, which is AC. So here we have, this is a known value, and this is AB is unknown, and AC is known to us. So what we do is, this will lead to that AB is equal to AC multiplied by cosine theta, and this is a number and this is a number, so we should be able to get the value for AB. That is for case if we have the value of the adjacent is unknown, and we'll try when the value of the opposite is unknown, just for the sake of demonstration. So again, if the value of the opposite is unknown, this is known and this is known, of course the angle is also known. So what we do is, in this case, we say sine theta is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, and the opposite is BC divided by AC, and back to, this is the unknown we're trying to calculate, this is known and this value is known. So what happens here is BC is equal to AC multiplied by sine theta, and this is again, because this is known, so we'll be able to get the value of BC. And same thing goes in case if we have the hypotenuse to be unknown. So let's again demonstrate that part. So this is known and this is the unknown value, this is known and this is known, this is unknown. In this case we apply, you can apply either the sine or cosine, and let's go with the sine. Sine theta is equal to the opposite divided by the hypotenuse, and again this is known to us, the opposite is known to us, the hypotenuse is not known to us. So what we do is, we say the hypotenuse is equal to the opposite divided by sine theta. So that's why we calculate the value of the hypotenuse. And we can do same thing in case if we are missing the angle itself. So we'll do for angle. So for angles, assuming that we have, again, let's say this is known to us, but this is not known to us. So let's say this is unknown. Of course, this is 90 degrees. This will not going to help to calculate theta, but we need to do the calculation. So for theta, what we do is here, we can use either sine, cosine, tangent, any one of them. So if you want, you can use tangent. Theta is equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. In this case, opposite is known to us, which is BC, and the adjacent is AB. And again, this is known to us, this is the unknown. So what we do here, we say, let's just write this, tangent theta is equal to BC divided by AB, and what we do is, we say theta is equal to tangent inverse of BC divided by AB, and this is known, and this is known, so we get the value of theta.